Es decir. Es decir. Huh. This one is a very good one. I really hope you can learn this one and that you can remember this one if you're learning Spanish, if you love Spanish, because this phrase is so commonly said in Spanish. Okay, es decir. Es decir. Is this verb, well, this word that is a verb right here. No, it's not red. I need red. I need the color red for this. Okay, excellent. Es comes from the verb ser, which means to be, pretty basic Spanish verb. And when you say es decir, it's like saying is to say. That's the literal translation, but it doesn't mean that. It means something else. The meaning of this phrase is I mean. So it's similar to saying I mean, you know, when you're saying something and you didn't explain what you're saying well enough, and you're like, I mean, blah, 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 yada, 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 right? So it's similar to that. So you would say, es decir, and then you add more to what you want to say. And it's very similar to saying, I mean, okay? So let's look at an example. Because we're gonna learn 10 phrases. I'm just gonna share one example, but I can change this example a little bit so you know how to use the phrase in different situations. Okay, so for example, no me gusta tu comida. Man, if you say this, the person who you're saying this to might think you are rude, but hang on, there's more. Es decir, no me gusta el sabor a ajo. Okay? No me gusta tu comida. Es decir, no me gusta el sabor a ajo. Wow, this is a longish phrase, longish sentence, but essentially you're talking about food. Comida means food, ajo means garlic. So let's see what we're trying to say here. I don't like your food. I don't like the flavor of garlic, or I don't like garlic. Okay, so that's the literal translation, the flavor of garlic, el sabor a ajo. But yeah, you're essentially saying, I don't like garlic. It's not your food, it's just, I don't like garlic. So that's what you're saying here. So let's break this down and see how this phrase or this sentence works, or whatever this sentence, the structure and whatnot. We will talk about that. Sorry, I'm just... I'm just a little tired today, but I'm okay. Okay, no me gusta. This is a very common phrase that means I don't like. You can just use it by itself. No me gusta. I don't like it. Okay, it's like similar to saying I don't like it. No me gusta. But also you can add more to the phrase. In this case, we're saying tu comida. Tu comida. Tu comida. No me gusta tu comida. This means I don't like your food. Tu without an accent mark means your. This your. And comida, as I said before, means food. No me gusta tu comida. Es decir, okay, we're saying the phrase that we're learning here. Es decir, It's not your food, right? It's just garlic. No me gusta. We repeated the same phrase, this phrase right here. No me gusta. I don't like. El sabor. Sabor means flavor, okay? El sabor means the flavor. Ajo, of garlic. Okay, why are we using a and not de, which, of in Spanish is de? That's because English and Spanish are different. They're different languages. So when you're talking about flavors, you usually say el sabor a, okay? And you add the flavor. El sabor a, the flavor of ajo, garlic. You can change that to el sabor a fresa, the flavor of strawberry. El sabor a vainilla, the flavor of vanilla or vanilla flavor, okay? Strawberry flavor, garlic flavor, and so on, okay? So in Spanish, you say it like that. When talking about flavors, you have that structure, el sabor a. So remember this little phrase here, el sabor a, okay? And then you add the flavor, ajo, in this situation. Okay, I mean, I love garlic, so I disagree with this. I would never say this, but you can see that initially you're saying something a bit rude, right? Someone is saying this and it's kind of rude. No me gusta tu comida. And when you want to clarify, don't be rude, right? But if you need to clarify, you can use this little phrase to do that. Es decir, and then you clarify, no me gusta el sabor a ajo. I don't like garlic, okay? I don't like the flavor of garlic. So it's very, very interesting. I really think this phrase is very helpful if you want to clarify things.